Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to claim your 30-day money back guarantee for NordVPN. If you want to claim your NordVPN 30-day money back guarantee, you must follow a two-part process. First of all, you have to cancel your auto-renewal and then explicitly request a refund from customer support. And canceling the subscription alone will not automatically trigger a refund. So basically, what you have to do is, as mentioned earlier, you have to first of all cancel auto-renewal. That means log into your NordVPN app onto your device. As you are logged in, you then need to tap the profile at the very bottom of the screen, manage account, or you could just go to subscription as well at the very top. Next, what you need is select or find auto renewal and then tap on manage or cancel. Confirm by tapping on cancel auto renewal when prompted. As you've done that, next you have to request your refund, right? So you want to go to NordVPN support center. So you could go ahead and access it from the homepage, or you could also go ahead and locate it in the website as well, but you could find it under settings, help. You want to go ahead and select support center. This is where you want to go ahead and select visit support center. All right. Afterwards, you want to tap on the chat icon in the bottom right and tell the agent that you want a refund under 30-day guarantee. Then you have to send your request to support@nordvpn.com, including your account email and the reason for refund as well. And this way, you're supposed to get, or you're supposed to claim your 30-day money back guarantee as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.